Looking for a fan that's powerful, quiet and stylish? Today we are taking a closer look at the Woozoo Pedestal Air Circulator available at Costco. This fan is designed with a DC motor for energy efficiency, offers full 360-degree oscillation, multi-speed setting, and a modern design that fits perfectly in any room. Whether you need a strong cooling for summer or gentle air circulation all year round, the Woozoo fan is built to keep you comfortable while running whisper quiet. Thanks for watching and welcome to the MG Factor. We are in a mission to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. Subscription is completely free, so please support and make a real difference. Thanks for being part of our journey. Now let's unbox and see what it comes with. So I purchased this from Costco, but you can buy it from different platforms such as Walmart and Amazon. But somehow the prices are expensive out there, so I preferred buying it from Costco. Now let's look at some of the key features of Woozoo 360 Pedestal Air Circulator. This is designed for a wide area airflow. It covers approximately 322.9 square feet, which is approximately 30 meters square. Equipped with a DC motor, it offers 12 adjustable fan speed settings and 360 oscillation, vertical and horizontal. Features include a capacitive touch panel, remote control, timer, sleep mode, adjustable height between 21 inches to 36 inches, and 3 airflow modes. Designed for quiet and efficient operation, ideal for bedrooms or living areas. Availability varies by location. This product is often listed as online only or back ordered, but shipping may be available within your zip code. This is the max fan speed. Fan speed. Then 360. Now lead by side. And then these are different modes. Night mode, cooling, 3 modes basically. And this is the timer to set up the timer for let's say 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. This is your timer here. So pretty good, nice.